In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to revoke API keys on Coinbase. If you've ever connected a trading bot, a portfolio tracker, or any external service to your Coinbase account, you likely used an API key. Revoking a key you no longer need is one of the fastest ways to reduce risk and keep your account secure. So let's walk through it clearly and safely. First, sign into your Coinbase account. Once you're in, head to Settings. You'll usually find this by clicking your profile icon in the top corner. Inside Settings, look for the API tab or a section labeled API Management. That's where all of your keys live, including any that are currently active. Before you remove anything, take a quick moment to identify the exact key you want to disable. Look for labels, notes, or the permissions it has to make sure you're selecting the right one, especially if you have several keys tied to different services. By the way, if you need the Coinbase website link or the official mobile app download, you'll find it right at the top of the description so you can get to the correct place quickly. When you're ready, click Revoke or select the trash icon next to the key you want to delete. Coinbase will prompt you to confirm. This is the point of no return for that key. Once revoked, it stops working immediately, and any connected service using it will lose access. Confirm the action to permanently disable it. For most accounts, you'll be asked to complete two-step verification to finish the deletion. Open your Authenticator app or use your approved verification method, enter the code, and you're done. The key is now revoked. A few important security tips to wrap up. If you suspect a key is compromised, revoke it right away and rotate to a fresh key with the smallest permissions necessary for the task. Don't forget to update any external services with the new key so your integrations keep working. Make it a habit to delete unused keys regularly. Old or forgotten keys can become a hidden risk over time. And while IP whitelisting is a great additional layer, restricting a key to known IP addresses, it does not replace revoking a key that might be exposed. Always remove anything you don't trust. That's it. You've successfully learned how to revoke API keys on Coinbase and how to keep them managed securely. If this helped, consider sharing it with someone who needs a quick security refresh. Thanks for watching.